Next topic, what is the thing we are going to discuss today? Linkage between economy and environment. What is the relationship between the economy as well as environment? Here the human life, it is depends upon many important factors: social factors, economic factors, political factors, ethical factors of ecosystem. The relationship between economy and environment, it is explained by one important model and approach. That model or approach we can call it as it is a material balance approach or material balance model. This material balance approach or material balance model, it was developed by two important economists, namely Alan Keynes and R.V. Ayers. Spelling read பண்ணுங்க. It is very important for part A, carry 1 marks. Material balance approach or material balance model, it was first introduced by the economist name ALEN, Alan Keynes, KNEENSE, and R.V. Ayers, AYRES. This is the two important person who has introduced the main important concept. That concept is known as material balance model or material balance approach. This material balance model or material balance approach, it explains the relationship between two important concepts: input and output. Input, you people know very well. During the production time, what are the inputs which is very important? In that we can call it as it is a raw material. The material which is very essential to produce a finished product, that material we can call it as it is an input. Output means it is something, but it is a finished product ready for used for consumption purpose in order to satisfy the wants and needs of the people. So material balance model or material balance approach, it explains the relationship between two important things. First one input and second one output. Input means it is nothing but here the environment, they can supply valuable natural resources. So many valuable natural resources they can supply. Which one can supply? The environment. And output means in return, after using all these valuable resources, in return the human being, they just return to environment only the different types of pollution. Clear? And another important thing, the linkage between economy and environment can be explained by one important diagram. Here x-axis or horizontal axis explains size of GDP. You people know very well, GDP means gross domestic product, total amount of goods and services produced in a country in a particular year without any duplication in a particular country. For a particular country in a particular year, total amount of goods and services produced, we can call it as it is a GDP. Next one, y-axis or vertical axis explain original quality of the environment. That is, we can call it as it is an environmental quality. Natural resources it can provide. The environment, they can supply variable types of natural resources. And here we can also another important line. That line, it explain abatement cost. Abatement cost means it is nothing but we are utilizing so many natural resources. After the production get over, in return we just supply different types of pollution to the environment: air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution, each and everything. So for creating this pollution, we have to make certain important payment, we have to make certain important cost. That cost is known as, for creating pollution we have to pay some cost. That cost we can call it as it is a abatement cost. Clear? So here in this diagram, size of GDP means it is something but total production takes place by utilizing of various important resources. Environmental quality means resources used, and it also results in, at last it results in different types of pollution. Abatement cost means for creating different types of pollution we have to pay that cost, abatement cost. For example, we are just starting any one industries. The producers, they can enjoy maximum profit by production, but the person who is living in that area, different types of pollution they are affected. That cost we are paying for the general public. That cost is known as abatement cost. Clear?